Hey Daniel, it's a new day and I am so glad we are here together.
Hey Emma, I'm glad too. But you look a little bit serious today. You sound thoughtful. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine, but I was thinking about a message I received yesterday. It was from a learner who was very sad.
Oh no, why was she sad?
She said the same thing many English learners say. She said, Emma, I start strong. I study for 3 hours on Monday, but then by Thursday I stop. I can't stay consistent.
Ah yes, the consistency struggle. It's the biggest mountain for every student.
Exactly. Everyone knows that practicing every day is important. We hear it all the time. Be consistent. Practice every day.
But almost everyone struggles with it. Even me. Even when I want to go to the gym or read a book.
So today, Rebels, we're going to be very honest. We're going to talk about why consistency is so hard.
And more importantly, we are going to show you how real people with real problems deal with it.
But first, a quick reminder to our family. If you find these episodes helpful, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to tap the bell icon. We want to help you stay consistent with your learning, and the bell helps you never miss a lesson.
Welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Topic introduction. Perfection is the enemy. I think many learners have a wrong idea about consistency.
What do you mean?
They think consistency means studying every day perfectly. They think it means having the same time, the same energy, and the same motivation every single day of the week.
Oh, I see. They think if they don't have 60 minutes and 100% energy, then they failed.
Exactly. But real life doesn't work like that.
No, it doesn't. Some days you are tired from work. Some days your kids are sick. Some days you're just busy with life.
And some days you just don't feel like it. You just want to sit on the sofa and do nothing.
And that's okay. That doesn't mean you are a bad student. It doesn't mean you are bad at English.
It just means you are human, and humans have ups and downs. Today, we want to change your mind about consistency. Why consistency feels so hard? The energy secret. Let's be very honest. Why is it so hard to do a little bit of English every day?
I think it's because we think English is hard work. But the truth is, consistency is not hard because English is difficult.
I agree. It's hard because life changes every day. Your mood is different on Monday than it is on Friday.
Your energy level changes. On Monday morning, you have 100%. On Wednesday evening, maybe you have 20%.
But many learners blame themselves. They look at their plan and say, I didn't study today. I'm lazy. I have no discipline.
Warmly, Rebels, that is not true. You are not lazy. You are just trying to use a 100% plan on a 20% day.
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Story number 1. Julia, the all or nothing trap. Let's talk about Julia. Julia is a very motivated person. When she decides to do something, she goes 100%.
At the beginning, right?
Yes. On week 1, Julia creates a big English plan. She says, I will study 1 hour every day. I will do 20 minutes of grammar, 20 minutes of vocabulary, and 20 minutes of speaking.
The first week, she is a superstar. She does every minute. She feels great.
The second week, she starts feeling tired. The 1 hour feels like a long time.
By the third week, nothing. She stops completely. She doesn't even open her book.
Julia feels very disappointed in herself. She thinks she failed. She thinks she doesn't have the talent for languages.
But the real problem wasn't Julia. It wasn't her brain or her talent. It was the plan.
Her plan was too heavy for a real busy life. Quick pause here, Rebels. Take a breath.
If Julia's story sounds like your story, if you feel less alone hearing this, then please subscribe to Learn English with Rebels.
We talk about real struggles here. No perfect teachers, just honest conversations.
Tap the bell and like the episode. It helps us reach more people who need to hear this message.
Hey Rebels, welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat!
What Julia changed? The bad day plan. So, what happened to Julia? Did she quit English forever?
No. She's a rebel. She changed one very important thing.
She stopped asking herself, how much can I do when I'm excited?
And she started asking, what can I do on a bad day? What can I do when I am very, very tired?
She made a minimum plan. Her new goal? 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's so short.
Yes, but it's a plan for her bad days. Now, even when she is tired, especially when she is tired, she does her 5 minutes.
She listens to one short song or reads one English post on Instagram. That's it.
Because she didn't quit, her habit stayed alive. That is when real consistency starts, when you do a little bit, even when you don't want to. Story number 2. Carlos, the busy routine.
Now, let's talk about Carlos. Carlos doesn't have a normal 9-to-5 job.
No, Carlos works 2 jobs. His schedule is different every single week.
So, for Carlos, a fixed routine at 7 p.m. is impossible.
Carlos tried. He said, I will study every night at 7. But sometimes he was at work. Sometimes he was on the bus. He felt very frustrated.
So Carlos changed his idea of consistency. He stopped looking at the clock.
Instead of a fixed time, he chose a fixed action.
His rule was, I will do one short English activity every day. It doesn't matter when.
Sometimes he did it in the morning while waiting for his coffee, sometimes in the afternoon, sometimes at night.
That flexibility saved his habit. He didn't fight his schedule. He worked with it.
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Story number 3. Nina, the emotional learner. Nina's problem was not her schedule. Her schedule was very calm.
So what was the problem for Nina?
It was her emotions. English was like a roller coaster for her.
On Monday, she felt like a genius. She understood everything. She was happy.
But on Tuesday, she made a mistake or forgot a word, and she felt stupid. She felt like she would never learn.
On those bad emotion days, Nina avoided English. She didn't want to feel bad.
So, Nina made an emotional safety rule.
On bad days, when she felt sad or tired, she had a rule: only listening.
No speaking, no grammar, no hard thinking. She just put on her headphones and listened to a gentle English story.
She stayed consistent without the pressure to be smart. She was kind to herself. Imagine Yulia, Carlos, and Nina talking together in a cafe.
Yulia says, "I'm happy because I stopped trying to do too much. 5 minutes is enough to keep my habit alive."
Carlos says, "I'm happy because I stopped fighting my busy schedule. I do my English whenever I can find a moment."
Nina says, "I'm happy because I stopped fighting my feelings. If I'm sad, I just listen quietly."
Different problems, Rebels. Different lives.
But they have the same goal: keep going. They learned to adjust, not to quit.
Welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Useful phrases box, the consistency toolkit. Let's look at 10 phrases to help you stay on the path. Use these when you feel like stopping.
Number 1, stay consistent.
Number 2, bad days happen.
Number 3, change the plan.
Number 4, lower the pressure.
Number 5, small effort counts.
Number 6, flexible routine.
Number 7, gentle learning.
Number 8, keep the habit alive.
Number 9, progress over perfection.
Number 10, don't quit, adjust.
Mini challenge. Repeat after Emma.
Now, let's practice your new rebel mindset. Repeat after me, slowly and with feeling. Consistency is not perfection. Even small practice matters. I continue even on bad days.
Wonderful. You are teaching your brain to be strong and kind at the same time.
Always coming back.
Rebels, as we end this episode, remember this: consistency doesn't mean you never stop.
No one is perfect. Everyone misses a day sometimes.
Consistency means you always come back.
If you miss a day, that's okay. Just don't quit the journey. Just start again tomorrow with 5 minutes.
Thank you for being part of this journey. We are here to support you every step of the way.
Please subscribe to Learn English with Rebels. Like the video and share it with someone who feels discouraged.
We'll keep moving forward together, one small step at a time.
See you in the next episode, Rebels.
Bye for now.